How to make someone an admin on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Telegram application on a device, and as you launch the Telegram application, what you can simply do is tap on any of your group over here. Now as you tap on your group chat, simply tap on the group name at the top left corner of the screen, but make sure that you are the admin or the owner of this particular group, because if you're not the owner of this group, then you'll not be able to make someone else an admin on Telegram. So if I want to make a particular person an admin, what you can simply do is tap on the three dotted lines at the top, or rather you can simply select on this pencil icon at the top right corner, scroll down to administrators over here and select on add admin. Now select on a particular person, and then here you can just see what can the particular admin do. So you can just select add new admins over here and then tap on the check mark at the top right corner. So this way you'll be able to make someone an admin on Telegram. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.